Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So basically, today we're actually going down to my grandma's house where Brooklyn is, where she came from Colorado. It's literally just 4 days after she came to California with all her friends for graduation, like a senior trip or whatever. But we're doing that. We're going to me and Ed, swimming, all that stuff. I'm bringing my car, but my aunt is going to drive my car, so we'll see how that is. Also, guys, we put on the new sticker yesterday. Here's the clips of that. This Subi Flow sticker on my car. Let's do this. So it needs to be like this.
No, come here.
So, we are going to be getting a new driveway, and this is really important because it looks so cool. We have a dirt driveway. Yeah. When I wash my car, it always gets muddy, or it's so dusty that there's no point in washing my car, really. Right now there is because it's not really windy, but when it's windy and there's dust, the next day the car is full of dust. There's no point in washing it. So basically right here to the gate we'll have asphalt, and then here we'll have nice gravel, and then right there this side we'll have concrete. Gravel will be going through there. It's also, guys, it's gonna make the car look a lot nicer. Like, you see this? Car looks good, okay, but if there's gravel and concrete, it'll make the car look clean. It'll just add to the pictures. So yeah, that's it. Aunt's gonna drive the car. Oh, it's 5 speed, so reverse is this way. Yeah. Okay, then yeah, sometimes it doesn't go reverse, so just try it. Yeah.
Is that first?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What? Yeah.
Oh! See, it wasn't my fault!
Whoa.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, you can wait till it gets up to 4,000.
This is snazzy.
Yeah. Smooth.
So you probably don't go in fifth very often then.
Never. Not unless you're going like 65.
Yeah.
I think this is where Papa went 95.
Oh, jeez. I would be afraid an animal came running out.
Yeah, and he was like putting on his seatbelt, swerving. All the way in.
No.
Okay, to Laurel's.